Cue the funeral music. Oh. All right. Stuck that away. Ooh. This hunk of junk held together, poor choice of words there, used to be held together, is my old Catan board. One of my first videos on my channel, the first video I should say. It needs to be upgraded. So what I've done is gone ahead and built a way better one. Now you're probably thinking to yourself, I don't even know what Catan is. Knock it off. Let me tell you. So it's like Monopoly, but instead of money, you have resources, and instead of a nice even grid, you have a random board that needs to spread out. So what I've done with this is the idea that it takes forever to set up the game. So when you turn this on, it randomly generates the board and instantly sets it up. So you're probably thinking to yourself, Jared, why did you break your board? You're wrong, I didn't. It fell over. Poorly designed, hot glue, obviously not the choice to go with here. So for the redesign, pretty simple. This thing is chunky to the monkey. So we need to slim it down. We need to reinforce it. We'll build the bigger version of the board, add more displays, and just overall improve it. Now that I've played the game of Operation 90 times, you can make these connections all permanent with a wee bit of tin. This bad boy is soldered, and my back is broken. All right, a little behind the scenes here. I really do kind of make it up as I go here. But what I've done is I've hollowed out the section of the board that I think where the components will fit, and I've printed out the exact shape so that I can play around with the components. That way when I go ahead and put them in the board, I know they'll fit real nice. Now I can't emphasize this enough. Yeah, you do not rip your components off your prototyping board without having a schematic. Pictures will not be enough and you'll be screwed. Let me tell you, this make it up as I go thing is really paying off. Here I am trying to jam wires through spots that don't jam. Stupid, stupid, stupid. Oh, wait. Oh, I mean, just look at her in all her glory. So many parts, so many pieces. Now, still little flappies. Things are not fully pressed in. I still need to go in and add any remaining connectors so that I may strengthen this whole thing. Then I think we just need a little bit of decor in the necky spots. And then I think she's ready for her debut. Oi. 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 Come to Papa. I would like to feel you. Oh yeah. Ooh. Wait, watch this. Ooh. Ah. Ooh, another. Ooh. All right. What about you? And what about you? Ooh. Ooh. Easy, light work. So what did we improve? Besides the overall look of the board, we now have two displays, beautiful graphs that when you roll the dice, it will update those. This gives you the number of times the dice is rolled and the resource it corresponds to. We now also have roll buttons on either side of the board, and you can either roll it on this side and it animates it this way, or whenever this is done, you can click it from the other side and it animates from the other side of the board. Just a cool little add-on there. Now, that's not the only thing. The board now has two modes. So it's no longer battery powered, it is plugged in. This is the first mode that it's on, and this is the evenly spread out board. It randomly places them, but it makes sure that none of the pieces are next to each other in case that's kind of the setup you like. I've added one thing to the board, which is this purple spot, which is the all spot. So when you roll a 7, you don't move the robber. You actually, what ends up happening is that the all spots in the desert end up switching. Now, if I switch modes here, power it on and off, boop, and boop. This is the completely random. Everything on the board is randomly placed. Doesn't matter if things are next to each other. But now with this all spot and the desert, what they end up doing is, because we don't care about what's next to what, this, when a 7 is rolled, will be switched with any random spots on the board. So it doesn't matter exactly where, ooh, look at the draw there. So it doesn't matter where, it will also replace the desert with a random spot. So this game board completely changes. You don't pick on your neighbor, now you pick on the board, or I guess the board picks on you kind of. So that's kind of how everything's set up and new. And let me tell you, I can't wait to play. The good, the bad, and the evil. So what's good about this board? I mean, just look at it. It is beautiful. It plays amazing, it works amazing. It's quite the upgrade. So what could be done better? Well, first of all, this umbilical cord. Gotta get rid of it. I plan to make an accessories video where I will add things like custom cards, custom pieces, and possibly a battery bank that I can plug in. But besides that, I think it turned out pretty well. I definitely could have put batteries. There's still room in the board to put batteries. But overall, if you like this, please consider subscribing. I'm gonna make more content like this, and look forward to my next creation. Congratulations, you've stayed too long in the video. Now, people always ask, can you sell this? Can you recreate it? No, that would take too long, blah, blah, blah. But what I do have is a little baby brother. So I'll have these in a variety of colors, in a limited number, and I plan to create a store and sell these for anybody that is interested in buying something that I actually create. But yeah, stay tuned for that. But now go bye-bye, bye-bye, bye.